Can you talk, Piper?
Yes, you can.
Talk to her, Ash.
Hi.
Say hi, pretty girl.
I can't. Yeah.
Hi, pretty girl. Hello, Piper.
We're doing cheek to cheek.
Can you kiss her?
She's way over there.
Piper. Pretty girl. Hi. Kissy kiss. Oh, she's being a stinker. Piper.
Is she tired?
I think she likes your wet hair. She likes your hair. She's playing in it.
Is she getting all dirty?
No. Talk to her. Whistle.
What? I
Whistle.
can't.
Well, try to whistle at her. How do you whistle? Just whistle how you normally whistle. You can whistle better than that. Oh, she's getting the water out of your hair.
Oh.
So cute.
Want to take a picture?
Yeah. How does she whistle, honey?
She just does.
Yeah. What about you? How do you whistle?
I just do like what you do.
Yeah. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does it sound like when you whistle? Oh, she's getting the water out of your hair. She's so cute.
On my ear.
Yeah. Oh, she loves you, Ashlyn. Pretty girl.
Vinegar. It's a pretty bird.
Yeah, she's so cute. Silly girl.
She's on my back. She
Yeah, she can, huh? All right, I'm gonna sign off. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. And anything?
Oh. Okay, look at mommy in the camera.